everybody, welcome to Baking Soda Central. This is a place where we research and we think about the power of baking soda, especially as it pertains to us today in COVID-19. Around the world right now, everybody's following directives. They're all doing pretty much the same thing. Two things we're doing. One is we are being told to hide from the virus, and the second is we're being told to wait for the big you-know. Who's giving these directives? Well, I'm going to have a ladder here. There it is. You can see over here we've got, at the bottom, we've got what we're getting at the grocery store, our directives, the rules we have there. We have our media stations, our outlets, our anchors that we're used to, our elected politicians who have directives. We're used to this whole thing. We're kind of trusting that they all know what they're doing. And then, of course, we've got Google, who are telling us how to think, what they want us to think about. And then we have WHO, the top World Health Organization, who have the health and welfare of the people, the planet in mind. And then, of course, we got people kind of managing WHO. But we're thinking there's something missing in here. There's some information we're not allowed to think about. So we're just going to put these guys to the side, this ladder to the side for a minute. And we're going to think about some things on our own. Intelligent people here. So might get kind of basic. Might get really kind of just simple. Let's do it anyways. We're not being told anything about preventions or treatments or a cure. None of this, oh well, my grandma said this, or we've been doing this for 100 years, or this is the tradition in our country. Nothing about the immune system, how to fortify that. It's all a new thing. Let the experts figure it out. But if we're doing a little of our own thinking here, we could ask two questions. One could be, where is the virus? Is the virus in the air? Is it on the grocery cart handle? Well, maybe, but mainly it's in the throat. And how do we know that? Well, we all agree it's on the in the throat. You agree with that? And medical people agree because that's where they're getting the sample from. And of course, we have research. So, for example, here's an article in June. Sally Robinson says, is a science reporter, that it's increasingly recognized that the throat is a major site of replication and shedding of virus-19 illness, and that the viral load is important. Throat and sputum are abundant in particles which peak 5 to 6 days after symptom onset, we've already had it, and decline thereafter, maybe not, depending on how the disease progresses. So there it is. It's in the throat. Right, so second question is there anything we can do to knock it out? While it's right there, we've got access. So does it have an Achilles heel? Well, it turns out it has probably a lot of Achilles heels, but it has one that I know about, and other people know about it. They know about it, and it's all to do with pH. So we're going to talk about that, look at that, at our next visit to Baking Soda Central. Thanks for coming.